everyone, it's Carrie B, and today I want to show you my spring Easter tablescape. So I like to start with a clean table, and I was so excited to find these vintage inspired placemats at Home Goods. I'm using my everyday white plates, but I found these super cute bunny plates at Home Goods that I'm going to use as well. I'm using my gold silverware that I got from Target, and I use them often when I do my special table settings. And then I also made a floral arrangement. I like to do little videos about how I do my arrangements, and you can follow me on Instagram to see how I made this tulip arrangement. And then finally I am adding in these beautiful glasses that I found at Home Goods. I had to go to 3 different Home Goods to find 3 of each color. I was hoping to get all green, but they had pink, and now I'm kind of happy with the pink and green. So that worked out. I also found these cute little egg rabbit cups. They were in the dollar bin at Target, so they're super cute, and I just put in these cute little faux robin's eggs in there, and I'll probably write everyone's name on the eggs and use them as nameplates. And then I found this beautiful vintage looking rabbit platter that I'll use to serve some things on. So it's really coming together with my little rabbit motif. I've had these little grassy green rabbits for many years, so I'm going to add those to the table. And then I had these little rabbit, of course, salt and pepper shakers. And then what's Easter without a basket? So here's how everything turned out. I am just obsessed with the tulips. Tulips are such an interesting flower. They look different every day because they continue to grow and bloom as they sit on your table. And these cute little rabbit plates are just adorable. And it's just all the details, it's the details for me. So yeah, it was worth the hunt to go around and find these glasses and all of the things to bring together such a beautiful table. I'm just so grateful and thankful this year to be able to celebrate with my family, and I just really appreciate you watching. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos or see my floral designs, follow me on Instagram at Carrie B Style, and thank you so much for watching.